Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRQR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video. So just go to that link and I will explain it to you in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious on this one, but today the price made a very, very impressive movement. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that it started down there and then the price ultimately closed all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, today's price movement was indeed very impressive. But that does lead to the valid question now going forward, especially after there was a little bit of a deeper pullback. But the question going forward but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $6 mark. Why is $6 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So if the price were to come down here to 6 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price from a literal perspective? Well, quite literally, the price would be right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, again, let's say the price does come down here. However, the difference being the price behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $6. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at in the near term, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of on two separate occasions, the price tried to get up through 685 and is rejected in both those situations. But if the price can get up through 685, next key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on would be right up there at $7.15. So 685, 715, next couple of battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, very, very impressive movement today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.